Welcome back to my channel Learning Tech. In this vid, I'm gonna explain data types in Python. Okay, how many data types we have in Python, and why we use this data type, and what is the concept of this data type. So I'm gonna discuss all the stuff. Till the previous video, I've been explaining through Paint, right? After explaining in Paint, then I'm into this implementation part, right? So what happens with this means, so once if I explain in Paint, then coming into this implementation, it makes the video so lengthy, right? So from today onwards and from this video onwards, I'm planning to explain in this VS Code itself only along with the implementation. Okay, so that you will also understand clearly. And okay, so let me increase the font size. Okay, so here 14 is there. I'll keep 25. Okay. See, now you are clear with this, right? Okay, I'll wait. First, I'll write something this like. See, okay. So I'm gonna explain data types in Python. Okay, how many data types that are present in Python means. So basically, we can understand. To make you understand, I'll tell like this. We have two levels of data types in Python. Okay, so the first one I can say is normal level, and the second one I can say advanced level. Okay, advanced level data type. DT means data type. Okay, so what are the data types that comes into normal level means, we have int, float, str, boolean. Okay, and even complex also there, so that is not being used that much frequently. Okay, so these are the normal level data types which comes under normal level. If I talk about advanced level data types, we have list, tuple, 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 okay, whatever the pronunciation. Okay, and set and tick dictionary. Okay, even we have a lot, even we have many more like byte array data type and even range, so that is not that much important. These are all the four important advanced level data types. Okay, to make you understand, that's why I have written normal level and advanced level. Okay, but we call this as advanced level, but so there is no such terminology like normal level. Okay, I just want you to make understand. Okay, that's why I have written. Okay, so let me give an example for a let me give an example for this data type. What is this data type means? So if I give a definition, it specifies which type of value that the variable hold. Okay, I hope you're getting. For example, uh, I've taken a variable called a and I have assigned 10. You're getting me, right? So I have assigned here integer value to a variable called a. Okay, so what type of this value that a hold? It is integer, right? So in order to see that, excuse me, in order to see that, we have a built-in function called type of a. If we print this thing, if I print this thing, then we are gonna see the type of this a. Okay, what type of value it holds. Okay, let me give another example. If I give any string like honey, so I want to see that type of the value. Okay, the type of b, so which value the b holds. For that I need to print this again. Okay, print, we have a function called type. If I pass b over here, so it is going to print it like it is of string type. Okay, I hope you're getting me. See, data types means nothing. Like if I wanna define it, so what value a variable holds. See, what type of value a variable holds is called a data type. Okay, in order to tell which value. Okay, whether be it be integer, be it be string, be it be boolean, be it be, so all this stuff I'm gonna talk about in the upcoming videos. Okay, don't you worry. So what kind of value, I'm just giving a basic idea, what kind of value that a variable holds, okay, that can be specified by this data type. Okay, in order to see that one, so we have a built-in function called type. Okay, okay, so if we print this stuff, this is going to tell us what kind of what type of value that this particular variable holds. Okay, I'm just commenting this. So this is, we can understand this is a multi-line command. Okay, you can see now it became all comment, so it is not gonna execute it now hereafter. See, I'm just taking the same example. I'm just giving value 10 to this variable, to this variable a. Okay, if I print, if I print a, sorry, type of a, see what you're gonna get, what output you're gonna get. As you can see, it is of type, which type? Integer, right? See, that is what. Okay, this is what data type. Okay, that means you are just telling what kind of value that a variable holds, that's it. Okay, so but here, as I mentioned earlier also, we need not require to specify any type explicitly, but we are just finding that type, as we already know. So if it is a value, it is a number, right? We can say this is an integer type. Okay, but in order to understand in a program, okay, value, which type of value that a variable, that this variable holds, then this is a way. Okay, I hope you're getting me. So if I take any string value like honey, if I print this stuff, type of a, if I pass, then it is going to shown it is of type string. Okay, and if I print, and let me take you this one. So this is of type boolean. Okay, this is a boolean type. Okay, this is of type which type? This is a boolean type. See whether I'm gonna get the same boolean or not. So if I do this stuff, as you can see, it is going to be printed as boolean. Okay, the first one is integer, and the second one is string, and the third one is boolean. Okay, so this is a way how we'll find the particular data type. Okay, so the type of the particular value which you have assigned. Okay, and the upcoming videos I'm gonna talk about much details. Okay, much details about these data types, don't you worry. And that's it for today's video. If you like my video, like it, and do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.